pouring outside. And I'm just kind of waiting for a break to go in the house. But I don't think I'm going to get one. It has rained so much, and it's going to rain all day today. But you know, rain is a blessing from God, isn't it? It freshens and gladdens the earth. I met a guy today at the gym. Big dude. His brother played in the NFL for 9 years. Ivory Sully. And I remember Ivory Sully. He used to play with the Rams. I met his brother today. We talked for probably a half hour. And he told me his brother lives in Anaheim Hills. He's doing well. His brother does something with television commercials, modeling. Good looking guy. Keeps his body, and we talked about health and blood, and he's a really diet conscious. Talked about God. He told me, wow, you bless me. I said, you bless me. And the rain blesses us. The rain will pass over. There'll be joy in the morning. I don't think there's going to be rain on the new earth. The first time the earth ever saw rain was in Noah's. There was not rain before Noah's day. The earth was moistened by the dew that came up. We read, Ellen White writes about that. So they were shocked when they saw rain. But we have rain now. California needs rain. I hear the fires are just terrible out there. Everything's so dry and brown, and I feel for people out there. I really do. It's sad. A lot of suffering. There's suffering in the whole world, I guess. There'll be joy in the morning. Had a good workout today. It's pouring. I don't even have a chance to go in the house. It's all right. My mom used to sit right in this spot here before she passed away in her car. I would look out the window there, and I would see my mom sitting in this car, and I know she was talking to God. I know she was saying she was ready to go. And she was. I can't wait to see her again. My dad, my brother. All right. That'll be in the morning, in the resurrection. And I got to figure out a way to get in there without getting soaked. All right. God bless.